पीछे कर,
बस सही है ना?
Correct.
हाथ मेरा.
I gave it to her.
Okay, I guess this is not gonna work. We'll have to pass.
Wait, I will answer.
No.
Okay, I give up. This I don't know. Hi, I'm Shanza Rashid. I am an influencer in the UAE. I have been in Dubai for more than 5 years and I feel that I'll win because I'm very outdoorsy and I go out a lot.
Hi, my name is Rachita Luthra. I've been in UAE for almost 10 years. I do marketing and I am also a content creator on the side. I'm here today to win because I think I've been in Dubai for a longer time and I did not learn how to lose. पीछे कर, पीछे.
बस सही है ना?
Which year did the UAE move its weekend from Friday, Saturday to Saturday, Sunday?
2022.
Correct.
Name 2 participants from Love is Blind Habibi.
Donia, Shafiq.
Yeah. Okay. Name 3 international celebs who own houses in Dubai.
Shah Rukh Khan, Sushmita Sen, and Lindsay Lohan, if I'm not wrong. Okay. ये तो मुझे भी पता था.
Where is Al Aqsa Beach located?
Fujairah.
Name the newest beach in Dubai.
J1 Beach.
Which currency was used in the UAE before dirham?
Indian rupees.
Wow.
हाथ मेरा.
I gave it to her.
What are
थोड़ा
3
पीछे रख.
thrilling sky-high experiences you can try in Dubai?
Sky dinner and
It's not sky dinner.
wait, okay, wait na. Skydiving.
Dinner in
No,
the sky?
wait na.
Skydiving?
Arey, but I pressed it. Let me answer. Skydiving, the hot air balloon, and the sky dinner thing.
Which football star just bought a $54 million penthouse in Dubai?
Ronaldo. Messi.
Okay, I guess this is not gonna work. We'll have to pass. It was Neymar Jr.
Oh yes.
Name 2 wildlife attractions in the UAE.
Russell Khor mein there's a zoo. Okay, I give up. This I don't know. You go ahead.
You can try.
Try.
Dubai Safari.
Yes.
And?
Yes.
Zoo.
Zoo. With zoo. Wait, I will answer. I will answer. No, I will answer.
Zoo is here.
No, not here. Wait.
Here.
No, Alain Zoo. There is an Alain Zoo.
What's the second one?
यही नो जो उसने बोला.
क्या बोला?
Wild.
क्या बोला?
Wildlife.
नहीं, ये देखो.
Now we need one more.
Okay.
From you.
So we have Alain Zoo. We have Emirates Zoo Park in Abu Dhabi.
What do these Arabic words mean? Mafi.
No.
Mal salama.
Salam alaikum. Ma salama is khalas. Okay, bye.
Okay, yeah. Mabruk.
मैंने बचाया ना बोलने तुझे.
अच्छा सारे बोलने.
नहीं सारे.
अच्छा नहीं ये तेरा वो.
Means congratulations.
I'm a street food favorite filled with chicken or lamb served as a sandwich.
Shawarma.
Now we'll say a word. You have to press the buzzer and keep going with whatever comes on top of your mind. Burj Khalifa.
Tallest building.
In Dubai.
Downtown.
DIFC.
You lose.
Yeah.
DIFC से बाहर
Okay.
क्या कर रही है?
Art.
Louvre Museum in Abu Dhabi.
Al Serkal Avenue.
Museum of Future on Sheikh Zayed.
Miracle Garden.
That is not art. Miracle Garden.
Palm Jumeirah.
The best clubs.
Sushi Samba.
Okay, Atlantis.
Aura Sky Pool.
I think you lose.
We'll give it to
Okay,
you.
I lose this one. Fine.
Which emirate is known to be the cultural capital of UAE?
Sharjah.
Which Dubai-based influencer has the highest Instagram following?
Nikisha.
No, Khuda Ke Taan.
Which emirate has the smallest population?
Ajman.
No.
Fujairah.
Umm Quwain, because we go camping there a lot.
How old did the UAE turn this year?
मेरा phone देना जरा.
I cannot give a bracket.
No,
54.
53. Am I right?
it's 53.
shit, I'm lucky today.
Which UAE emirate is most associated with the historical pearl diving industry?
No idea.
Fujairah.
Pearl diving.
There's only one.
Abu Dhabi, because Abu Dhabi has a lot of islands, I feel, right?
Abu Dhabi. A palace in Ras Al Khaimah is rumored to be haunted. What is it called?
Al-Hamra village.
It's true?
Yeah.
How, dude? I'm shocked.
Fast and Furious 7 was filmed in Abu Dhabi. What is the historic location visible behind the cars there?
Emirates Palace.
Which iconic landmark is this?
Burj Al Arab.
कहाँ से लग रहा है बुर्ज अल
यार
अरब?
मुझे दिख नहीं रहा यार.
This is not Burj
ये
Al Arab.
Dera Clock Tower.
हाँ ये बुर्ज अल अरब, Dera Clock Tower. It's not Sharjah Airport. It's not Abu Dhabi Airport. It's not Dubai Airport. I've been to all three. This is somewhere. No, this is not Abu Dhabi Airport.
Long time.
Acha.
Who's featured in this?
Sheikh.
No, this is not a sheikh.
You're on the right track.
Oh, he's a sheikh.
Sheikh.
Sheikh Maktoum. But okay, we'll split this point.
चल बोल.
Old Sheikh
करना क्या है?
Zayed.
Which place is this?
Old Sheikh Zayed Road.
Where was this Imagine Dragons video shot?
D3. D3.
Fashion.
D3.
Yes. हम वहाँ पे shoots करते हैं.
What's the name of this Cardi B song that was shot in Dubai?
I know, it's something with some noodle brand. Bodak Yellow. Yeah, no?
Okay, guys, that brings us to the end of our questions. After much deliberation, we've come to the conclusion that the winner of this face-off is... Drumroll, Chandra!
Thanks, guys.
Chandra,
Gut feeling.
speech, please. Speech.
Gut feeling, guys. I woke up, I heard good songs. That's it, I won.
Let me just give you this.
जल्दी दो. Thank you. This is the first time I win something in my life. No lucky drawers, nothing. I won this.